He's 2 year 11 months old now, but he got his records 2 months back. When he was 1.5 year old, every day morning his father does yoga. So seeing him, he used to do. He used to come sit beside him and started doing everything. And every day when we do puja, he comes and sit and he whatever slokas we tell, he used to repeat it. So we came to know, okay, he is able to identify things, he is able to grasp everything. So every day we teach him small slokas in tits and bits type, not a lengthy sentence like type, but it will be easy for them to grasp it. So in that way I made him tell. So far, Indian Book of Records and Bravo International Book of World Records and Global Indian Achievers Award is there. Tomorrow it's there, 25th. It's an online virtual event. In small competitions, he'll participate. For example, Gandhi Jayanti, he told a Gandhi Jayanti speech. And for
At what age did he speak?
2.5 years. Yeah. So occasions keep on coming on, right? So based on those occasions, I'll see the online platforms wherever competitions are there. So I make him participate. So, because now in this pandemic there are no schools and everything. So I only teach him everything. We don't want him to go more on screen time. So it's a health issue, right? So I don't prefer screen time classes and everything. When he goes to school from 3.5 years, obviously, but play school and all we didn't make him go. Yeah, so from 3.5 years he'll be going to school. So based on his interest, we'll make him do whatever he isn't comfortable doing. We don't force him to do. We don't force him to. Yeah, it's not he's not different from other children. It's all about how we parents make him grow, make them grow. It all depends on the parents. They should identify what are his interests, and based on this interest, we'll make him do. It's not just only academics part. It's not that type. For example, we make him play boxing for his physical fitness, hands and everything. We can make him do weekly once a boxing type. So weekly once swimming pool type. At home we have a swimming pool. So in the swimming pool also we make him play with vegetables in the water. We'll ask him what is this. So in that playful way we make him recognize things and everything. So that is how we came to know that he can grasp everything like that. His memory is good.
And my wife Swati Surpur. Basically, I'm blessed with a very good baby boy, and he is gifted with good grasping skills. Basically, he wakes up in the morning around 6:30, and when I perform puja, he'll be with me, and he'll be listening to all the shlokas that I chant for different gods. So basically, he's spiritually connected, and even he's a very apart from spiritual thing, he's in worldly living. He's physically strong in education perspective, as well as he's very good in sports, and these talents were recognized at the age of 1.5 year. So basically, he's very good in catching the things fastly. Uh, Basically, if I tell some things related to rhymes or related to vegetables or related to any cartoons, so basically he will see the things and he'll grasp the things fastly. And when I ask a question, he'll fastly respond to that. So basically, he's fastly grasping the things. That is the very good quality that he's having, and that is required in future. So basically, if he's pursuing his education, so mainly when teachers are giving their lectures, grasping skills are very much required to grasp the things and perform in the exams conducted by the schools or colleges or the. So I feel proud of him. So basically, he has achieved 2 awards. One is Bravo International Awards, and one more is Indian Book of Records. So he got nominated and he got shortlisted in both the uh, events. So basically, I feel proud of him. Being 2 years, 11 months, and performing uh, in a good way. So I feel proud of him. In future, I'm planning. I don't want to force him anything. I want to know his interest. So basically, once the child grows up uh, after 5 years or 6 years, I'll be knowing his interest, and I will motivate him. Even my wife Swati Surpur will motivate him in achieving whatever he is desiring for.